this previous video part 1, we already learned what a polynomial is. So before moving into today's topic, let's quickly recall it in a simple way. Okay, a polynomial is just an algebraic expression mode using variables like x along with numbers and power of x. For example, x plus 2, x squared minus 1, 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 are all polynomials. So we already know this from part 1. Now in part 2, we are going to understanding something interesting. Okay. First, what is the geometric meaning of the zero of polynomial? Let's understand this step by step in this easy way. Okay. Now the next question is, what is the zero of polynomial? It's actually very simple. The zero of polynomial means the value of x for which the polynomials become 0. Let's see a small example. Suppose we have a polynomial p of x equal to x minus 2. To find the 0, we make p of x equal to 0. So we write x minus 2 equal to 0. When we solve this, we get x equal to 2. Okay. In simple words, when we put x equal to 2, the whole expression becomes 0. Now let's move to the geometrical meaning of zero of a polynomial. When we draw the graph of a polynomial, the points where the graph cuts or touches the x-axis give us the zeros of the polynomial. In simple words, the x value where the graph meets x-axis is called the zero. Okay? Let's understand this with an example. First, consider the polynomial p of x equal to x squared minus 1. First we from a table values. Okay. Let us take some values like minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, now we substitute these values into the polynomials. Okay, values substitute in the polynomial. Okay, so when x equal to minus 2, we get p of x equal to 3. When x equal to minus 1, we get p of x equal to 0. When we get x equal to 0, we get minus 1. When x equal to 1, again p of x equal to 0. And when x equal to 2, p of x becomes 3. Now we plot these points on the graphs. Okay. The points is minus 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 2, 3. After plotting, we join the points smoothly, we get U-shaped curve in the graph. Okay. From the graph, we can see that the curve meets the x-axis at minus 1, 0 and minus 1, 0 and 0, 1, 0. Okay. So the x value are minus 1 and 1. Hence the zero of the polynomial are minus 1, 1. So this is the end of the part 2. In part 3, we will continue this lesson with the next topic. I have ordered exercise 2.1 questions and answer PDF in the description. Download it and practice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.